I like it, and I'm able to dance and shake my body. You
guys, he came to surprise me.
Multiplier, do your business card. Happy birthday to
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, it's your girl Dami Laoye, and I'm back with another video. So guys, it's my birthday week, and as you all can see, I don't look good right now, so we need to do a little bit of maintenance. And yeah, anyways, for my birthday I plan to do go to the spa for a massage because my back has been hurting for a while now, and I also plan on going for dinner with my friends, but let's see if that's gonna work, because honestly I don't know if that's gonna work. But yeah, I'm just gonna go for my maintenance right now and just get myself looking presentable again. Okay guys, let's go.
Hey guys. Multiplier, do your business card.
So guys, we have to pick a nail. I think I'm gonna go with this one since I'm trying to do like an ombre type of thing. I don't know. Yeah, I think this one is nice. This looks nice.
Hello. Thank you. Alright guys, so I'm currently testing on my clothes. Dance and shake my body. Alright guys, this is the outfit now.
Yeah, I like this one.
Next outfit.
Well, I don't like this one. I'm not feeling the look. I feel it's, I don't know. It's not giving birthday. It's not making me twinkle out. Let's try another one. This is giving buzz, club, another club, airport. No. I don't know about this one. But yeah, it's like, just show me your back. Show me your back, please. No. But I like this one. And but if I'm wearing this one, I think I'm gonna wear this one with a jacket or something. But yeah, this is how this one looks like. Guys, this is the last outfit. The other one I tried, I didn't like it, so I was like, there's no point in showing that. But this is the last outfit. This is giving every other one. Every other one. I don't know if I like this one. I don't like it. I'm never gonna lie. I don't like it. Nah, I don't like this thing.
You guys, he came to surprise me. Oh my gosh, so sweet.
Let me don't
Make
cry.
a wish. Don't cry. Woo! Woo! Happy birthday!
Yes, the chocolate. Yeah, chocolate. Yeah. I'll just let his hair.
Period. Period. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, go. You all should book her. She's still good, okay? Book her. See my hair?
Yeah.
Don't play. So guys, I got to my appointment very late, so I think I'm just gonna wait. The next appointment they have available is for 5 o'clock, and this is just 3:17. So I think I'll just go to some of the restaurants nearby and just eat something because I'm also hungry. Yes, I just finished the massage.
said. It was really nice actually. So I'm currently waiting for my ride to get here because I didn't drive. I was just very tired. I didn't feel like driving, so I just ordered Uber to come here. So I'm waiting for my ride to come here, but the message was okay. I'm going to give it like an 8 over 10. But yeah, it was nice. So guys, we stopped to get snacks. Come and see this place. This place is so nice. There's so many cakes here. They have donuts. So if you're in San Antonio, you can come here actually. It's a Nigerian-owned brand. Then they have donuts. They have meat pie and the rest. Lemon roll and the rest. So guys, this is my outfit of the day. I like the way Timmy's cake actually packaged it. She packaged it well. So we got meat pie, we got sausage. Have you seen your sausage? Yeah. Is the only one you put?
Is it the only one you asked for?
I asked for 2.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You can share that one.
So this is the meat pie. You guys, I've been craving meat pie since. So I'm so glad I'm actually eating this one. Hey guys, so the initial plan was to paint, and that's why we bought food. But the first place was locked. The second place we just had a few hours, just like an hour and like some minutes to do everything. It didn't make any sense to me. So we're currently at La Cantera. We just stopped at Timmy's Cafe to buy some things, and we're just going to look for something to do here. Guys, wanna try another one? Yes, we've been having so much fun. It's been so good. Anyways, we're going home now, so we'll go for the dinner. But how was it? Rate the experience. 9.5. 9.5 over 10. This is so good. We had so much fun. So we are at the restaurant.
She's so much.
So yeah, it's my birthday dinner too. So it's me and Sala's birthday dinner. Let me show you what I'm wearing with my nice gold chain. I look expensive. I smell expensive. Everything is good. But yeah, it's my birthday dinner and Sala's birthday dinner. Today is Sala's birthday. So yeah, her birthday dinner too because we are all February. So yeah, guys.
How come you get 2 birthday dinners?
It was good because I planned my first one on time. And I told you to be playing this. And I tried to get you go.
Did you make a wish?
Yeah.
Yes. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You guys are a sad crowd. Speak
Happy birthday, Abraham.
Lami.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. Okay, more life, more money, more wealth, everything good.
Thank you.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.